You searched how to buy shares of LNA Sante SA. LNA SA operates senior living and healthcare facilities and is listed on Euronext under the ticker LNA.PA. This information is educational only and not financial advice. To proceed, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your identity with a document and add funds to the account. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker LNA.PA to locate the listing on Euronext. Confirm the company name shown matches LNA Sante SA before opening the asset page. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart displaying recent movements. Double-check the page shows LNA Sante SA and the LNA.PA ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. To buy, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the trade fills, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to visit the platform.